Hi all. Today I want to show you if you're preparing your iPhone for sale or for part X and you want to clear everything. What you want to do is go into settings, tap on your name and sign out from iCloud. I'm going to type my password and now you signed out from your iCloud. Just press again sign out. Okay, that's it. Now what you want to do is go into general, transfer or reset iPhone. Don't reset, erase all content and settings, just like this. This will notify you, that will remove everything from your phone. Erase iPhone. You're gonna have to type your passcode and the phone will start to erase. This way you signed out from iCloud, Find My iPhone will be off and all your photos, whatever you have in your phone, all will be erased and it's nice and clean, and you can sell it or part exit or whatever you like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.